It's funny how I think about quality. A lot of people think that I'm kind of crazy, but if you know about my background, you're going to understand better how I think. I'm a doctor. I studied medicine. That's my real degree. So all my life I have been in situations in my works where people's life is depending on it. Then I started a company to make firefighter suits, so everything must be perfect. That's why quality is very important for me, and it's going to be very important and essential for creating guitars. But it's not for the pleasure of destroying, it's for the pleasure of quality, of perfection, of to be sure that this guitar is going to take you to exactly the place that you need, and it's not going to let you down. That's why this is very important for us, and it's the quality that you're going to receive if you get one of our guitars. Yes, I'm kind of crazy about doing this, but you're going to have the best.